Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Are you wrestling with the error code 3003 while trying to access your purchased pay-per-view event on Kayo? It's a frustrating experience, isn't it? But don't worry, we've got you covered. This notorious error code 3003 is often accompanied by a message that reads, "You don't have a valid subscription." It's a common issue that users have reported, particularly those who have recently purchased the event or those who may have accidentally bought the wrong one. According to the official Kayo website, the best way to resolve this error is by giving it a little time. If you've just purchased the event, there might be a slight delay in the system. So, cool down, grab a snack, and try accessing the event again after a while. However, if patience isn't your forte, or you've waited and the error persists, it's time to switch gears. Try accessing the event from a different compatible device. This could simply be a hiccup with your current device. But what if you've tried both these steps and the error is still stubbornly persisting? That's when you pick up the phone and reach out to the Kayo support team. They're there to help and will guide you through any additional steps required to resolve the issue. In summary, to overcome the Kayo error code 3003, wait a little, try a different device, and if all else fails, reach out to Kayo's support team. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.